Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where when my mother-in-law cooks, it might smell really good, but it is blander than boiled chicken and white rice. There ain't no flavor to it at all, no seasoning, no salt, no pepper. Today we're gonna make Espagueti Verde, or, for you gringos out there, Mexican green spaghetti. We're going to start with taking some water, add it to a pan. Add in some salt, and bring it to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, add our spaghetti noodles and cook them until they're al dente. Then we're going to roast 5 poblano peppers. You can either do that over an open flame like this, or stick it on a baking dish and broil it on high for 5 minutes per side in the oven. Now once the peppers get a nice char, we're going to set them in a container and we're going to put the cover them and let them sweat. And after they set for a minute and let them sweat, we're going to take the skins off. Don't have to be perfect. You can leave some char on, it'll be fun. Take the stems out. Rake the seeds out. And we're going to put it in our bowl of our blender. And to the bowl of blender, we're going to add 2 cans of media cream. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. Not the container salt was in. 4 cloves of garlic, and a half an onion, and a bunch of cilantro. And I got a few more things to add to it, but it's kind of full, so I gotta wait. I gotta blend this up first. Now we blend. Now with that blended up, we're going to add 2 jalapenos. You can take the seed, cut them in half and take the seeds out if you don't want it spicy. And about 2 ounces of cream cheese. And now we blend. Now when you drain your pasta, you can save a cup of water for the end if you want your sauce a little bit thinner. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it in the pan. With the butter hot, we're going to add our sauce. Warm the sauce up a tad bit. And then we add our noodles in. And we toss it together. Now we turn off the heat, and it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's a darn good spaghetti. not as good as the Chipotle one in my opinion, but it's still up there. I recommend making that one too. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.